Hello and welcome to D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're going to talk about the max payout feature. If you go to make a new buzz, you'll see the max payout set to 1. This 1 is for 1 HBD, that is 1 Hive Backed Dollar. 1 is the default setting for the maximum payout. You do have the option, however, to change it to any setting that you wish. Simply by clicking up and down on the arrows, you can set it to any number that you want. If you set your max payout to 0, the rewards that you would earn from the content will be sent to the burn or null account. However, the authors that curate your content will still receive the full reward. If you set your max payout to 1, which is the recommended setting, you and the curators who curate your content will both receive equal pay. Likewise, for anything above that, that is the same. Here is a chart explaining it. You have your posts. If your max payout is set to 0, you as the author will receive 0. However, the curators will receive the full reward. If the max payout is 1, it will be the standard split of 50-50. If the max payout is 1 and the rewards are more than 1, such as if you set your reward to 1 and then you earn maybe 25, the author and the curators will both receive the maximum payout on the 1. Anything over that 1 will be sent back to the rewards pool. This is the same as your max payout increases. You'll each get the percentage based on that 50-50% on the max payout that you set. Anything over that will be sent back to the Hive rewards pool to be redistributed. A couple of things to note about your max payout. The maximum payout is set to 1 by default. We recommend keeping your maximum payout set to 1. This is the best way to ensure your content does not get downvoted. However, if your content is of exceptional quality and you feel it is worthy, please feel free to increase your maximum payout to whatever level that you wish. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy your experience using D.Buzz.